Hey guys, today we are going to see the different types of methods of removing an element from a list, from a Python list. So there are three methods. So first let's define a list. List is equal to, let's have A, B, C, B. So how can we remove an element from this list? The first is the remove function. List dot remove and just specify the exact element that you want to remove. So let's say B. And let's print list. And as you can see, B has been removed. The second way is to pop it out. What the pop function does is it again returns this type also. So let's use the same example, and let's say we have to pop C out. So it will be, and put it into a variable popped is equal to list dot pop, and we have to now specify the index. So the index of C now is 0, 1, 2. So C is at the first position, so 1, and we can print list and then print popped. Let's run this, and as you can see, C is also removed and it is stored in popped. The third way is normally the delete function. Just del and list and the index that you want to delete. So let's delete D. So that is let's delete A, that is in the 0th position, and then print list and then this, and as you can see, only D is remaining. So these are the three ways of removing an element from a list of Python. Thanks for watching. Do comment in the comment section if you have any doubts. Keep coding, stay curious.